Tech Plus is the tool for technicians to help create workshop revenue. Clock onto the job using the voice assistant,
Hey Tech Plus, start my next operation.
which is automatically allocated from the planner. Once you start work, the timer starts recording. Technical documents can be uploaded to the job for future reference. And service history can be viewed as well as the original documents. It's always good to start with a vehicle health check, and you can do this by selecting the right checklist. From here, you can select items as urgent, recommended, or OK. When you find work to do, menu pricing is available to help you immediately quote your customer. To complete the vehicle health check, you can create a video for your customer, adding intro and outro clips to reflect your dealership's branding. While you are working, you can see your progress against the planned time. If you need to speak to the parts team, you can send a note to share important information. You can view parts that have been prepared for the job, or even issue them yourself by selecting the part or scanning a barcode. Once the operation is complete, the next task or job will be prompted from the integrated workshop planner. Tech Plus, profitable processes driving your workshop.